So, good afternoon, everyone. It's an honor to be here at GCC Summit among some of the most forward-thinking minds in the industries. Today, we stand at the pivotal of crossroad where enterprise strategy must evolve, not just incrementally, but fundamentally as well. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a tool, becoming very fabric how decisions are made, how value is created, and how competitive advantage is sustained. The theme which I try to bring today is rewiring the enterprise strategy with AI. I think we have covered the introduction piece. So I just wanted to talk about how the enterprise strategy is going to crafted, carve out at the enterprise level, how the AI is going to happen. Let's talk about how AI can bridge the vision and executions, how leaders can embed the intelligence into more core of enterprise, and how we can shape not just better company, but future-ready ones. Before moving ahead, let's delve into a few questions. What if real AI disruption isn't in technologies, but in how we reimagine the enterprise strategy itself? Are we still running on yesterday DNA in the AI first world? How many of you believe your GCC's position not just as a delivery engine, but strategic AI nerve centers? Right. So I think these are the few questions, right, which we have to think through. And I was just, based on the time bound, I was just trying to cover some of this topic, right? So if you look at the role of GCC in AI first enterprise, you see how the enterprise are moving from transactions to transformations, bridging their strategy and executions, accelerating the business value creations. So these are the three enablers which helps you to move from the mindset of cost arbitrage to value orchestrations. Yeah. They transform also ambition to the action and data to the directions. The message is clear. GCC is no longer support center. They are a strategic nerve center. In the AI first world, they are not just the part of enterprise, but they are redefining it. If I go to the next topic is rewiring the strategic DNA for AI transformations. An enterprise embrace AI, one truth stands clear. Transformation isn't about the technology, it's about the rewiring very DNA of how we think, operate, and leads. Today's the Global Capability Center merely not embedding AI into workflows, they are reactivating this enterprise core, aligning the technology with purpose, culture, and long-term outcomes. Some of those drivers are strategic alignment with purpose, cross-functional orchestrations, and AI operating fabrics. If I take some real-world inspirations, the leading healthcare GCCs have shown how they establish the AI Enterprise Review Board at the CXO level to govern the ethical deployment and drive the strategic alignment. The results, scalable, trustworthy AI that cut across the silos and elevate the enterprise values. So what are we seeing in a quiet revolutions? GCC are not adapting the AI, but they are redefining how the enterprise evolve with that. If I go to the C-suite convergence, as AI moved from the experimentations to the enterprise-wide adoptions, it's no longer a domain of single function. The future belongs to connected leadership. The global capability centers are becoming the nerve centers enabling this convergence. GCC, the catalyst of C-suite synergy. AI transformation, it's more than the isolated wings. It demands orchestrations across finance, technology, people, and operations. GCC is stepping into a role, bridging the C-suite silos, harmonizing the AI agendas, and driving the collaborative value creations. What makes this possible is integrated leadership alignment, unified AI dashboard, strategic foresight with scenario planning, and cross-functional AI governance. Inspiration in action. If I quote some of these references from the global GCC, that AI Governance Council has been established as a strategic advisory board, enabling the real-time consultations, providing the real-time consultations, cross-functional accountability, and accelerated value realization across the boardroom. The new playbook, where all the CXOs are aligned, all are enabled by GCC. Because when leadership converts, the transformation scales. If I move to the next topic is AI native GCC. I think I can correlate with this, Lalit, what is mentioned about the AI native GCC. As we entered into the world of real-time decisions, adaptive systems, intelligent value chain, it's no longer enough for the Global Capability Center to support AI. They must become AI. We are witnessing the rise of AI native GCC, organization engineered not just for the cost or capabilities, but for the continuous intelligence at scale. So what defines the new operating model? AI first by design is important, federated AI center of excellence, cross-functional AI product squad, composable AI infrastructures, and integrated data fabric. Let me bring this to the life with the real examples. Again, the top or leading healthcare companies has reimagined the AI Governance Council. I was part of that as well, into an agile, enterprise-wide sounding board, unlocking the scales and agility and trust across multiple AI programs. So not just AI is not, enterprise AI is not just a transformation, that's also a transcendence. In short, AI native GCC are not the cost center or the support hub. They are the intelligence engine shaping the future, not changing it. If I touch upon the activating GCC as a flywheel. In the evolving era of AI, transformation is not one-time event. It's a flywheel, dynamic, self-reinforcing loop of intelligence that gain momentum with every turn. And today, GCC, the real differentiator lies not just building the AI use case, but activating the AI flywheel, where data fuels model, model enables actions, actions drives feedbacks, and feedback sharpens strategy at scale and speed. Let's unpack the core of the motion. Codified knowledge and reusable GenAI toolkit is essentials. Human-centered change is important. Strategic storytelling to inspire the C-suite is important. I just touch upon the human-centered change. The best AI fails if people fear it. By anchoring the change in the responsible AI, empathic design, and the human purpose, GCC can unlock the adoption, not just acceptance. The future isn't AI versus human. It's AI with human by design. When AI aligns with the boardroom priorities, it earns oxygens to scale. So what does this all looks like in actions? Where every experiment win or fail, accelerate the next, not just the adoption, that's a living learning ecosystems. To close, AI flywheel is not just about the speed alone, it's about the scaling purposefully, with every turn creating the sharper insight, deeper trust, and more intelligent value. GCC, whose master this does not deliver AI, they become flywheel of transformation for the business and beyond. I just want to touch upon the last topic, which is AI in finance. Once seen back as a back office function, finance today stands the helm of intelligent transformations, and in AI, that's rewiring the story from control tower to the value creations. We're no longer asking if AI belongs to finance. We are witnessing how the infusion intelligence in every layer, operational, tactical, and strategic. Let's break it down. The cognitive monitoring is the way we can transform where AI can automate what we can do in a week's time, from GL reconciliations to anomaly detection, from vendor risk scoring to the expense fraud flagging, all in real time. It's control at the speed of trust. Smart document processing, predictive forecasting, and generative intelligence. What does this all translate to? Let's the numbers speak. So what we have experienced, that over 90% of automations of transactional finance happen. 15x faster the finance close and planning cycle happens. 10x more insight and agility and innovations. 80% boost in the forecasting precisions happens. And 90% audit confidence, transforming the risk into resilience. The result, finance leaders are not just reporting history. They are shaping it as a co-pilot in the growth, innovations, and investment. And in this journey, AI isn't a tool. It's a strategic multiplier, turning finance into the nerve systems of the enterprise. So that's all from me to cover.